So good day everyone, I am Rob from Infusion and I am here at the University of Cebu Maritime Education and Training Center. So for today's video, I am going to pick random students here in the campus just to ask what is the importance of arts in their own. So let's go. So bro, first, what is your name?
My name is Jade Sherman Emaga.
Okay, so who is your instructor in Humanity 101?
My instructor is Sir Chikoy Laitani.
Okay, Sir Chikoy. So, are you ready for the question, bro?
Ready?
Okay, so he is ready. So, what is art in your
Art is everywhere. It is everything that exists. We see colors, shapes, and sizes. Everything is art. It's a form of art. That's my opinion of art.
Okay, that's very impressive. So, are you familiar with the types of arts?
Yes, I know a few of them.
Okay, so among those types of arts, what art do you prefer the most?
I prefer literary arts.
Okay, why?
Because I like to write my feelings down in the paper, be one with the pen, and my feelings will be the paper. I put my feelings in the paper and write it so that I can express and show my sincerity towards someone I love or someone that I really care and give it to them in a form of literary art.
Wow, that's very good. Thank you so much, Cadet Maga. Yo bro, are you down to be my interviewer for today?
Sure, bro.
Okay, so what is your name?
My name is Cadet Simbahon, bro.
Cadet Simbahon. Okay. Are you ready for the question?
Yes, bro.
Okay, so in your own opinion, what is art?
Arts for me is a magic to express your feelings through your own creations.
Okay, so expressing feelings. So I am sure that you are familiar with the performing arts, are you?
Yes, bro.
Okay. So I am sure that you are familiar with the performing arts, are you?
Yes, bro.
Okay. So my question is, how can you express feelings? How can you express your feelings in performing arts?
Me as a TikTok influencer or dance choreographer, it is important for me to show to everyone that I have my own feelings, to show them how to express my talent in front of them.
Thank you so much. So I saw my last target for today, that person. Good afternoon.
Okay.
What is your name, sir?
I'm Martin P. Bildoro.
So are you down to be my last interview for today?
Okay, sir.
So I have two questions to ask. Sir, first question is, what is art for you?
Early art is a form of creations and beauty.
Okay. So, among those, we both know that we have types of arts, right?
Yes, sir.
So, among those types of arts, what arts do you prefer the most?
I think, sir, for me, it's visual arts, sir.
Visual arts. Okay. Why?
Because it's visualize beauty and creativity, sir.
Okay, that's perfect answer. Thank you so much. So that is all for today, guys. Thank you so much for watching. See you next vlog.
Ako'y tahimik lang sa umpisa, kahit di mo ko pilitin. Malasing mo lang ako agad sasama, kahit di mo ko akitin. Meron ka bang lemon? Gusto ko tequila. Pagtapos ko mag-shot,